Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to attempt to install my wig for the first time. Obviously, I've never installed a wig on myself before, so this is going to be interesting. Hopefully it comes out good, but if it doesn't, I'm still going to post this, practice makes perfect. So yeah, let's watch me do it.
So before I put the wig on, I just went ahead and put it on the mannequin to straighten it. I feel like that made it easier for me to do it instead of straightening on my hair, on my actual head, if that makes sense. So right now I'm just straightening the whole wig as base to get it as smooth as possible before I applied it on my actual head.
Ryan Little.
I'm back. My camera died, but I went ahead and put a little bit of foundation on the cap and on the lace of the wig, so to see if it can start matching pretty much my scalp. So we're gonna put it on right. It's too far. All right, well, this is how it looks right now. Just putting it on me. We're gonna try and do something with this. So yeah, I'm just gonna push it back. Use the Got2b to just glue it down a little bit so it can stay down. Yeah.
So as you guys can see, I'm just trying to glue down the front as best as I can. I don't plan on wearing the wig long, so I wasn't really worried about it being too perfect, but I just wanted it as flat as possible in the front. This wig really didn't fit me that well, but it can make do for if I wanted to wear it for like a day or two. But yeah, so right now I'm just gluing it down and trying to get it as smooth in the front as possible.
Ryan Little.
So after I got it down as smooth as I possibly could, I just went back in with the hot comb to touch up the top and make it as flat as possible.
Ryan Little.
So I ended up trying to like crimp it and make it look like something, because the straight was not it. But this doesn't look the best either, but at least it's something. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the section I have left and then do something with these baby hairs.
So as you can see, I just already crimped the majority of my hair. I'm going to go in and crimp these last few sections. If you see the little pink thing, it's because this crimper was so old that it just got so hot at the handle. So I had to use something to protect my hand. But yeah, it didn't really crimp that well, but it did give enough definition to it to make it look like I did something to it. So yeah, this is just me crimping the rest of the hair.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
Okay guys, so right now I'm just going to try and do some baby hairs. Please do not make fun of me. I really need to know how to really need to learn how to do baby hairs. I did the best I could. I just have to learn how to swoop them better, but yeah. So for right now, this is what we're working with. After I attempted to do some type of baby hairs, I wanted my concealer again on the part to make it look as close to my skin complexion as possible.
Okay guys, and this is the final result. It's not the best, but not the worst. I definitely could have had a better crimper to do the crimps. Mine was very old. This lace, I'm not sure, and the baby hairs, we did what we had. We used what we worked with. But yeah, so this is the final result. It's not bad. It's not horrible. I think I'll wear it out. Yeah, I think we look good. As always, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and always comment down below any future videos you guys want to see me do, and I'll most likely possibly do them. Thank you for watching. Bye.